Hello everyone, good morning guys.
Hello.
Let me introduce you Giampiero. Giampiero, say hello to our friends all around the world.
Hello, I'm Giampiero and I'm the driver for this week.
I was making this question. Guess who he is? He's not a stylist, he's not a model, he's our driver. So Giampiero is giving his help to make the San Filippo's tour even better, even more comfortable. Giampiero, facciamo vedere il veicolo?
Yes.
Because somebody thinks that Rossella and I used to go all around Sicily with our car. Guys, we are the owners of the travel agency, so we don't have any cars. We only involve suppliers like Giampiero. Giampiero, facciamo vedere il veicolo.
Let's go on board.
We wanna display what the San Filippos and the McCluskey are using for their trip to Sicily. So this is a very comfortable vehicle, a Mercedes van with 9 useful seats. Of course, air conditioning, all the facilities, microphone for the local guide when she is involved in our tours. A lot of space if you have many luggages. So that's it. So don't get wrong. don't misunderstand. We don't use our car. We only involve special suppliers like Giampiero. Giampiero, would you like to say something? Oh, clients are here. Sorry. Oh guys, good morning. We are live. Misty.
Oh, good morning.
How are you? Ciao Dan.
Ciao.
So we were making an advertising for Giampiero, Misty, just to let our friends know that we don't use our own car, not Rossella and Gianca's car, but we use only beautiful vehicle like this.
Professional driver.
Thank you.
Let me say something about your experience here in Marsala. Did you enjoy your wine tasting, your guided visit of Florio winery?
Yes, beautiful winery.
John, what did you enjoy the best? What's your favorite wine today?
Two. Targa.
Wow, Targa.
Beautiful can.
Yes.
I know, right?
So finally you bought the Targa.
I did.
You were convinced by Janine, I think.
That was the car reference.
Yeah. So guys, we are talking about the Florio family, one of the wealthiest family in the 1800 and 1900, and they were involved in the first. So they promoted the first car race in Sicily, named Targa Florio. That's why Porsche decided to name a vehicle Targa. Porsche 911 Targa. Targa Florio.
Targa Florio.
That's a beautiful book.
Beautiful.
Thank you. So, I make a question. Did you study the itinerary? Do you know where we are going to?
I do.
Where are we going?
Of course, Misty studied.
The beach.
I studied. We are going to the salt pans
Yeah,
and see the pink flamingos.
yeah.
And then we're going to Erice.
Brava! Very good. So we are passing through the Sicily Pans in Marsala. It's a beautiful scenario, and then we go straight to Erice. On the top of a mountain, we will find a beautiful medieval town, and we have lunch there. So be ready to enjoy
Can't wait.
a great Sicilian lunch.
Yes.
Okay,
Hey, Becca.
it's time to say hello all together. Are you ready to say what you already learned?
What did I already learn?
Misty, please.
Misty, teach us. I know. Misty, teach us.
Follow Misty. Follow Misty.
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
You're great. Ciao. Ciao. Good morning, guys. How are you? We are so fine. We are enjoying a very relaxing day. We started our day in Marsala for a very fine wine tasting, an excellent wine tasting in a town that's very popular all around the world because of the namesake wine, the Marsala wine. And now, after a great lunch, we are exploring Erice in the province of Trapani. So guys, I'm enjoying the beautiful view on the Egadian Islands. Behind me you can see Trapani. So that's the westernmost point of Sicily. This is Trapani. And in front of Trapani, perhaps you can see two spots in the frame. They are Favignana and Levanzo. Two of the three islands that belong to the Egadian archipelago. Sorry for the day. Today the sky is not clear because in the last few hours the Scirocco wind blew, and you know, the Scirocco wind bring with him the Sahara sand, and so you are seeing the Sahara sand in the sky. But we are good. The temperature were very hot in Palermo this morning. Now in Erice we are on the top of a mountain. Temperature is very mild. So it's so nice to have a walking tour as the San Filippos and the McCluskeys are doing now. They are with a local guide here in Erice, and they are enjoying the guided tour of Erice. Ciao Donna Naples, good morning!
net, in order that when the tuna would have arrived from Gibraltar, they would have been pushed out into that trap and they could have been captured. Now, this kind of activity in Japan was very popular until 1982. Then all the tonnare, all the canaries have been dismissed because of the actually happen. So they cannot reproduce themselves. So as babies, they will live in the Mediterranean. Only when they reach maturity, they will migrate again towards the Atlantic Ocean. But if you keep going for more than 40 years, to the satellites and in the international waters where nobody can control you, it is obvious that the product will be continuous.
Il mare è a destra.
Come quello là che ha detto che là sono andati al mare.
Hello Jeanette, how are you? So behind me you can see the beautiful castle of Venus. I didn't say nothing at all about Erice. Perhaps for those who have been following us for a while they know what Erice is, but for the others let me say something. Erice is a beautiful medieval town in the west side of Sicily. We are very close to the westernmost point of Sicily, and it was founded by the Hellenians. Some people from the ancient Greece. They say they were exiles from Troy. Ciao Mary! Mary Viviano! How are you, Mary? Please say hello to Carlo and Josie as well. Now I'm gonna reach one of the most beautiful viewpoint in Sicily. So I'm approaching the Pepoli Tower that boasts one of the best views in Sicily. So first you saw the area of Trapani and the Egadian Islands. Now I'm gonna display you the other coastline, the coastline that faces to the east, so to Palermo. That is a beautiful, beautiful coastline, and you can see that huge mountain is named Mount Cofano. Behind Mount Cofano, you can see, if you visit Sicily, a beautiful coastline named Macari, and then at that point, behind Mount Cofano, you have San Vito Lo Capo, perhaps one of the most beautiful beaches in Europe, a gold sand beach. So this is a. I'm sorry again, because usually the sky is blue. We had beautiful days, but Scirocco wind blew in the last hours, and this is the result. This is the effect of the wind from the south, from the North Africa. So the sky now is full of sand. In the next hours, we have two options. It will rain, and all the vehicles, everything will be covered by sand, or the wind from the north will sweep everything away, and so the sky will be again clear. We have the second, so we hope to show you again the blue sky. Ciao Peter Confalone, how are you guys? So as you can hear, hear the noise of the wind. I have no microphone with the dead cat, so to remove the effect of the wind, and I try to do my best. I'm alone today, guys. Rosella is not with me, and so I'm breathing again. This is my time of freedom, and now I have to go back to the group of our beautiful people from California. They are now enjoying a guided tour of Erice with a local guide, because I wanna remind you, I'm not a tour guide, I'm just the owner of the tour company, and we always involve people, professional people, such as the best drivers, the best local guides, and of course, in these cases, since all our clients are very important for us, the owner has to look. So we say in Italy, it's so important when you watch everything to be sure that everything is perfect. So that is what I'm doing. I'm accompanying personally this group, but it's of course the opportunity to spend a great day with them, because they are beautiful people. They are there. Ciao Corinne, ciao Janice. So guys, it's time to say hello. I have to to come back, and I hope you enjoy this little short live broadcast from Erice. We are in the westernmost point of Sicily. If you come to Sicily, don't miss the opportunity to visit this beautiful medieval town. You will enjoy beautiful views. And of course, if you are wine enthusiast, this is the place, because Marsala is very close. Guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next days. The next days you will see Rossella, not me. We are trying to manage our business. So this is my turn now. Rossella will do a couple of live broadcasts tomorrow and the day after from the Madonia area. I hope you enjoyed. See you the next one. And what can I say? Rossella, forgive me if I steal your words. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.